Hello guys, Mimo here from the Investing Hub. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're looking at the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, currently trading at around 13,140. Just before we start this analysis, however, I'd just like to say that we just launched a free Signal group over on Telegram. Please feel free to scan this QR code. It will take you straight to the Signal group, completely free of charge. Okay, looking back at the Nasdaq 100, currently trading at around 13,140. And yesterday we did have a slight negative session as low as 13,000 and then recovered slightly. Now, tech stocks are worried of the rate hikes that we are expected to see. Now, the market is also anticipating the guidance going forward, whether we're going to get a pivot, where we're going to get dovish sentiment, or hawkish. That's the most important thing to note for today in the meeting. I think the guidance is going to be very crucial. Provided we get a dovish sentiment and a pivot, the market will rally significantly, in my opinion, and vice versa. We get a hawkish, I think the market will fall lower. For the Nasdaq 100 at least, it will be 12,751. I think is the key area of support, provided we get such a hawkish sentiment. I don't think the 0.382 will hold in that case, and that's when we will trade in lower markets. But yeah, it's all about the sentiment. A lot of financial stocks are struggling, so that should balance the sentiment in terms of the Fed. Don't want to be too hawkish because financials are really going to hurt the market, and the regional banks are really going to be struggling in an environment where we get very hawkish sentiment in the stock market.